So guys, guess what happened? Oh no. That is someone's dog that came in our garage, I'm guessing. I don't know. Mom's seen it first. I'm standing on the treadmill right now because it's trying to bite my pants. Because it's teething, so it's trying to find something to bite. If you know the dog, he has a collar. Do you guys know this dog by chance? Have you seen it before? Spike, no. Get down. Yeah, we don't know who his owners are. It's a cute puppy.
Yeah, that's a nanny dog right there. Don't you think?
Trying to stay away from it. It's trying to eat my pants.
I know you beat my toes earlier.
Well, that's the dog we found. Yesterday we had 2 dogs too. Here. Yeah. So if you know this dog, oh gosh, he's up. If you know this dog, if you know who owns this dog, if you own this dog, just comment in the video.